Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we have a hop today for the Not Too Shabby February monthly releases, and I'm going to be making a card with the Berry Sweet Cuties and this beautiful paper, Wild Strawberry Meadow. And I'm just going through it quickly because I'm sure you've seen it before, but it's really pretty, and I just had to share it again because I love every single paper of this. And this is from the Paper Pad Club. So you get cut aparts, which is so pretty. And I am going to be fussy cutting one of those images there, but I love that you get more than one sheet in this paper pack. So it's awesome if you get this Paper Pad Club, because if you're not sure what to pair it with, you have these cut aparts that you can put it on this card and you are covered. So I love that cupcake there too. So I am going to cut, actually I'm fussy cutting two. So I'm going to cut up the strawberry, and then I'm going to be cutting up the, well, not cutting up, but fussy cutting the balloons. And so this is part of a release giveaway, and you can win $25 to shop at the Not Too Shabby shop. So leave comments and likes, and you can win a gift card. So I will have the links down below for you to enter the giveaway, and then I will have when the giveaway ends as well. Because most likely I am filming this early, but the giveaways I believe are like a week. So make sure and do all the things so that you can be entered to win. So I stamped this cutie, which she's from the Berry Sweet Cuties, and I stamped her with Memento black ink, or tuxedo black ink, and this is pink heavyweight cardstock for my stash, and sometimes I like to color on colored cardstock. It's not always the best, but I believe it's pretty good with Memento tuxedo ink, and I'm just coloring her up really quickly with some Copic markers, and then I will fussy cut her out. And I love that sentiment. I love how it's like a wreath with the sentiment there, so I had to use that image as well. You also get another one on that stamp set. So if you get the I Want It All, you can get the two paper pads, the stamp set, and you can get ephemera, which is so great. And if you just want to get the stamp of the month, then you'll get this cute stamp set. So check out the subscriptions at the Not Too Shabby shop, and I will have those down below for you as well. And so I'm just coloring up the strawberry. I did have a little accident with my green Copic marker, and I tried to fix it. So it kind of looks like maybe there's a shadow on my mouse, and that's okay. So I'm just going to go with that. But I think that marker, I overfilled it and I forgot to take off both lids. So that's what happened. And now I'm going to use a circle die, and this circle die is from the Ultimate Snow Globe Shaker die set at the Not Too Shabby shop, designed by LV Handcrafted. I'm just using my pink die cutting machine that I got for my birthday in December, so I'm starting to use it now. I was hoarding it for a little bit. And so that is cut out, and now I want to pair my papers and my cute mouse and my cut up die cuts or ephemera, cut aparts, however you want to say. And I'm just trying to see what would look good for my card today, and I'm going to use that scallop rectangle die. It's from Lawn Fawn. And I'm going to use some Victorian velvet and just dab the ends of this circle die cut. I think it's a pretty color, and it goes with this paper, and so everything's pink and red and so cute. And I love strawberries. I was actually born in a city where it was just strawberry fields everywhere. And so strawberries always make me think of my hometown. So I love that. So it's always like strawberries, like there was always strawberries. Like my mother-in-law would always have crates of strawberries. Like, so I just love strawberries. And I always look on the cartons to see if they're from my hometown. But I think not so much anymore. I don't know. I'll have to see how they're doing over there because I don't see them too much as I used to on the cartons. So I am just adding some foam tape to the back of this circle, and then I will glue my mouse there and on my circle, and then I will add my cut aparts, and I'm using a pink A2 card base as well. So that's 4¼ by 5½, and it's heavyweight, and it's the same color cardstock I used for my mouse and my sentiment there. And I'm just going to place everything together. So make sure and hop, because I would love to see you enter the giveaway, and check out all the inspiration from the design team, and everything's so fun. So I'm going to hop as well. I love seeing what everybody has come up with, and yeah, so I'll have everything down below for you. Check out the subscriptions, they're amazing. I'm surprised every month with what there is, like for the papers and stamps, and everything's just so great. So I'm just going to glue my scallop rectangle to my A2 card base, and I'm going to add some sparkling enamel dots as well. And this card came together pretty easy, which I love. So again, I can't get over how much I love this paper pad club for this month, and the box of the month, every stamp of the month, everything is so good. So I am just creasing my rectangle, and the last thing is to put my enamel, sparkling enamel dots, and I'm using the Cutesy Halloween. So they're not just for Halloween. I love these pink ones, and I think they matched my strawberry cupcake and just all the pink cuteness. I love that strawberry pattern paper, so I think they just match, and I never can get the enamel dots on the way I want them. They always give me trouble on camera. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope you liked this tutorial, and hop and have fun hopping, and I will be back soon on my channel. So if you like what you see on our channel, subscribe and like. Thanks for joining me today, and have a wonderful day. And I'm just adding some pink to the ears and the cheeks there.